Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will give you tips to make a proper to-do list. Before heading on to the tips, first we should know what a to-do list is. A to-do list is some goals you write for the day, and you'll hopefully achieve them. And it's best if you are able to achieve them. Most people have trouble completing to-do lists. Because of that reason, they don't feel productive and tend to procrastinate. These are 4 tips I will give you for your to-do list that are efficient and have worked on me and many others. Before I start with the tips, I also want you guys to comment down below what suggestions and what videos I should post in the future. Now let's get into the tips that I will tell you. Okay, so tip number 1, don't write long to-do lists. In order not to burn yourself out, control your tasks for the day. In reality, many people are not able to complete long to-do lists. They end up finishing half or a quarter of them. And when they see that, they feel unmotivated, and also because they stress a lot. In order to control your to-do list, write down most important tasks out of all the ones you are going to plan to complete. Keep at least 4 or 3 or maybe even 5 if you are confident, but it's best if you just choose 3 or 4 for like the first. And if you're able to complete 3 or 4 important tasks, then move on to 5. And remember, not finishing your to-do list does not mean you are not productive. If you have not finished your to-do list, does not mean you are not productive. If you have completed a few tasks, it's okay. Instead of feeling down, try to have a mindset that you tried completing the list, and you will try improving and completing more tasks tomorrow. Do not make this an excuse. Actually mean it. If you're going to leave those tasks last minute, remember and try thinking that if you do it early, you will get to relax later on in the day instead of stressing about those tasks. Instead of feeling sad that you haven't completed to-do list, have a really nice mindset and try improving tomorrow. And seriously, I'm warning you guys, actually mean it instead of using this as an excuse and just procrastinating later on. Look, these are most people out there trying to finish their tasks on the to-do list, but then they end up only finishing a quarter and half of them. And then they feel sad and unmotivated, and then they don't even try to do the rest of the to-do list or do another to-do list the day after. And then they will, of course, think that they can't do this, so there's no point trying to finish the to-do list later on. But you should think that you will improve and you will try your best to complete your task. Tip number 3. Separate your tasks into sections. Keep a section for the most important tasks and the least important tasks, so that you can complete the important tasks first in a separate section, and then you will be relaxed knowing that you have the easier tasks left and completing those tasks afterwards. I warn you guys that you should always do the important tasks first before doing the least important tasks, because the reason is that you'll feel relaxed and you won't really, if you don't complete the least important task, you won't really feel that much regret. Now, tip number 4. When you're feeling unmotivated, do this. I'm completely sure that all of us have lost motivation and want to procrastinate, but in order to cure that, watch motivational, inspiring content in order to boost your motivation. It helped me multiple times. Just don't search other topics that will instead entertain you for hours, and you will not really get back to work and back to your tasks when it's too late. This is a bonus tip that, in my opinion, has helped me a lot. This is the most effective tip that has worked on me. I have no idea why I didn't mention this as a tip instead of a bonus tip, but whatever. So, before bed, I make a routine planner that includes my tasks on my to-do list for the next day. That is simply it. So, for example, if I want to clean my room, I make a routine planner that says that I have to wake up and clean my room first thing in the morning. And for example, studying, I say that I study for approximately 12 o'clock or something. And I have routines or tasks that have been in a timetable. That's basically what I'm saying. That is an optional thing. If you don't really think you don't really need it, then you don't have to, but you might consider trying it out because it has helped me a lot. These are all the tips I have told you guys, and I hope it helps you a lot because it has helped. Those tips have helped me a lot. Anyways, I want to say bye to all of yous, and please subscribe, press the notification bell, and like the video if you like my content. It really supports the channel and motivates me to keep posting. That's it for now. I will post again soon, and I wish you all best of luck. Bye.